Hello, 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 crafty friends. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I am ScrappingSylvia here on YouTube and on Instagram. Welcome back to my channel. And I'd like to welcome also my subscribers, and if you're new, welcome. So today we will be making this card. And basically it's very simple, guys. Let me show you the sketch that we're going to be working on. This is the sketch. And the sketch is from a book that is called Make It From Your Heart, Volume 4, From Close to My Heart. Okay. All right. So we're going to be using, this is just the card to make the card. It's a value pack cards and envelopes, 5.5 by 4 1/4. There's 50 of them in here. Good envelopes, which is pretty, I've had this for a while. Okay, and it lasts a long time. Okay. Let's see, so what else do we need? We're gonna use the burlap ribbon in blue. We're gonna need tape. We're gonna use archival black permanent ink, acid-free. Of course, my little tool. And the stamp that's, it's called Every Thank You, Stamp of the Month. Isn't that pretty? And it's from Close to My Heart. Okay. So let us begin. You know what we need? I need my bone folder. Okay. So like I said before, this is 5.5 by 8.5. Okay. Okay, but then when you fold it, it's going to be 5.5 by 4 1/4. Okay, so this is the green, it's like a minty color paper. This is from the kit. So we want to stand it up, but why don't we do the card first, put the card together. Let's put it over here. Let's move this over here so you can see it better. There. Okay, then this is going to go here. And by the way, this is 1 3/4 by 2. Okay. Let's get the ribbon. Oh, you know what we're going to use also, I forgot to mention, is this tape. It's very good tape. It's see-through. You'll see. And of course I already cut the ribbon, so I just want to make sure around there. So I think we're going to put it on 3. Yeah, let's do it on 3. Okay, so make sure it's nice and straight. Let's put this on 3. Come on. Oops. Around there. Let's cut it. Okay, make sure it's pressed. Press it down, that it sticks. Let's see if I can do this sometimes. Oh, there you go, guys. Look at this. And it's excellent tape for ribbon. I won't have the problem what I had the other day, yesterday, with the ribbon for the layout. I was struggling, guys. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna use this one, and then I get 1 3/4 by 2. And where's my tape? Where did I put my tape? Let's put the card here so you can see what it looks like. That's what it's going to look like. It's very easy and it's very quick, guys. You'll see. Okay. Then it's this piece right here, and that one is 1 by 2 1/4. 1 by 2 1/4. And that's going to be right next to the pretty flower paper. Okay, and then this piece, it's that piece, and this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And you can change the sentiment. I put thanks, but it could be anything. Happy birthday, welcome back, get well soon. Any stamp that you have at home. Okay, this piece is 3/4 by 1.5. By 1.5. And that, I put it like right around here. And then this little piece is 3/4 by 1 1/4. 3/4 by 1 1/4. And that one, I think I put it like around here. Okay. And let's not forget, we got to do the little, so let's cut a little bit more ribbon. You can create a bow or you can create a knot, whatever's easier for you. I find it easier a knot because I have problems making a bow. Okay. And then we're going to use some glue dots. Actually, let's trim this first. What say you? Okay. I think this way is better. Some glue dots. I always put at least 2. 1, 2. Move that out of the way. Straighten out the card. Put it around there. I think I'm going to trim this a little bit more. Okay. And then, almost finished, guys. I told you it was going to be quick. Oh, wait, we got to stamp it. So we're going to use the archival black ink. We're going to use this block. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is also a close to my heart block. And this is 2 by 3.5. I'm going to use one of this. This one, this is the one that I use. Thanks. Should we do thank you? We could do thank you. Yeah, let's do thanks. I like thanks. Okay. Put it down here. Nice and straight. Okay. Let's ink. Make sure you get lots of ink on it. And just wipe this off. I should have had a wipey with me, but that's okay. All right, let's try this baby. You know what? I should have put, because I could. Nah, that's fine. Make sure it's straight. Move that out of the way. And I think that's the middle. Okay, thanks. And now, let's close this. And this is 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, and I already put a double-sided adhesive, foam tape. Sure that, yeah, I think it's dry. Not sure, but let's not touch it. Okay. This one I popped up with the foam. The other one I did not. Voila. That's it, guys. Finished. So here. See, this one is flat. The paper is flat. The green paper, the minty paper. And this one, it's sticking out. I don't know if you can see the difference. See? That one's sticking out. I don't know if you can see it. And then this one's not. That one's flat. Alrighty, that's it, guys. Have a wonderful day. And remember, like I mentioned before, it could be any other sentiment. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.